Come on, Victor, make a wish.
If you ever leave me, baby.
Good, so this thing between you and Benji, your boyfriend, and once you start telling people, you can't take it back.
I don't want it to be a secret anymore because I'm happy about it. Like really, really happy. I'm sorry for not being as brave as you are. Just please don't give up. You okay? I don't think I could give up on you, even if I wanted to. No, please, tell me, what shit have you had to put up with? Hello, Victor. Everything was amazing, and now it feels like all we do is fight. I think we need to take a break. But you're the part of my life that I love. The idea of being with someone who he's not gonna say anything to anyone. Okay, I can trust him. I can't trust you.
We put our whole relationship on the line to defend you. That's how much he loves you.
And if I wanna hold your hand or do something boyfriendy, then I'll just do this. Yeah, I wanna be with someone who doesn't make me feel anxious all the time. Someone who makes me feel like I can just be myself. That's how you make